Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a book tracker on Notion. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is create a new page and name it book tracker. Over here, give an icon to the page and set the page to full width. After that, create the main database and name it bookshelf. This will be where you track every book. Then remove the tag property. Over here, add a status property with options read, reading, and finished. Change not started to reading and set the default option to read. Then add a multi-select property and name it author. Change the icon of this property. After that, add a select property and name it rating. Then add a cover property with type files and media. This will be used to store your book cover. So that's basically how you can make a book tracker on Notion. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.